Today was the second trial of the Republic versus Irungu and Maribe murder trial. We proceeded on with our second witness, PW2, who's a scene of crimes expert. She produced photographs of the scene. We had 3 different scenes. And by producing the photographs, she was able to explain to the court and give the court an overall picture of the crime scenes. She produced a total of 120 photographs and also a certificate as is required by the Evidence Act.
Your role at these 3 scenes, the photos you have described from photograph 1 to photograph 120, what was your role there?
I took the photographs and I collected.
You took photographs and you collected?
The physical evidence.
The physical evidence, which namely is maybe the masking tapes, fingerprints, and the blood.
Yes, Your Lordship.
After collecting the same, what did you do?
I handed over to the investigating officer.
Again, you said your role was to take photographs and to collect these items. Was your role also to analyze these items?
No, I handed over to them. No, Your Lordship.
So that was not your role to analyze these items. Her role at the time during the investigations was to be able to take, as she said today, to take photographs, and she collected quite a number of exhibits which she handed over to the investigating officer, who was to hand over to the experts to analyze. So her role was, what she took us through was exactly what happened at that particular time, because we were not there and the court was not there. So it gave us a clear picture of what actually transpired or took place at that particular time, because we realized they went almost immediately after the incident. At the time you were here when you were taking this photograph in regard to the burnt item, was there anybody with you from the neighborhood or from these houses?
There was nobody. Kasaina was there.
Kasaina was there. And Kasaina, according to you, was living in which house?
Like 6, 7, the other side. 6, 7, 7.
What was also important today was the fact that the court now gave directions on how the media will cover this trial, because we had raised concerns earlier in regard to an attempt for our witnesses, and especially our protected witnesses, being disclosed in the media, and also directed that the reporting be limited to the Court Reporters Association. We're also glad that the Star newspaper and the Nation media also agreed to work within the confines of the court's directions, and we are looking forward to tomorrow to have our protected witnesses in court, and then we can move on with this trial.
It will be an in-camera session, so we will be limited access for the public, for the media, and also for general officers. It will be a closed court session.
Hearing the evidence of suspected witnesses, the matter shall proceed in camera. The public, including the media, is excluded. The limitation is only allowed to the family whereby deceased and the accused persons.
The reason why we requested for the evidence to be heard in camera is also a reassurance to them, and for them to have the environment to be able to give their evidence freely without any fear, because we realize those are key witnesses, they're vulnerable witnesses, and we needed to protect them, protect the evidence and also protect them physically, at least to ensure that at the end of the day justice is done, because we really need their evidence, and those are key witnesses in our trial.
We believed that without this kind of protection for them, they would not be able to testify, they would have fear, and they would also not fulfill their role as citizens to give accurate information to the court to assist in justice.
What is remaining for us is now, with the other evidence, is to try and answer the question, as I had indicated in my opening statement, who did it? As to how it happened, we now have a clear picture from the photographs to the pathologist in terms of cause of death. So the other witnesses are coming to now answer that question, who did it? And that is what we are looking forward to.